Jamal Osborne, a UWI student. It's my first semester being a management studies student. Changing my major in January, thoughts flooded my mind. I was pursuing an accounting degree before. I was failing. It was time for a change, and I was searching for an option. Luckily, while I was browsing through my options, I came across this course, and I said to myself, management of change. Just when it's time for a change. Getting better insight, I made my decision. That was my most recent encounter I had with the concept of change management. This is characterized as the strategies and habits in which an organization or individual portrays and carries out change internally or externally. Compelling correspondence is quite possibly the main achievement factors for powerful change. Utilizing the ventures as I needed a better outlook and whilst improving my performances and productivity in relation to how a business entity employs the factor of change to manifest better results. Change comes as a result of various factors, in which Richard Beckard, a pioneer in organizational development, views change management as a planned effort that increases organization effectiveness and health through good communication. Changes in business entities may come by mergers where firms combine into one, acquisition in which a larger entity buys out a smaller enterprise, gaining all of its assets, and the factor restructuring the company's arrangement, enabling smoother process of communication, improving its productivity. Lamarche's work changing the way we change develop concepts around the importance of ability to change, the mitigation of resistance, and the enabling frameworks for supporting change. Coupling the combinations, employee acceptance, and technology strategy is what brings change success. However, in order to undo change, one must build resilience in those who desire to lead and inspire those around them. Organizations, likewise, are compelled to change. In several occurrences, when a key worker leaves, becomes ill, or passes on, regardless of whether change is sudden or advanced throughout some undefined period, entrepreneurs and pioneers should return to their organizations' essentials plans consistently. Todrick, who was a professor at the Harvard Business School for 10 years in organizational behavior, human resource management, introduced 10 rules of compelling change. 1. Analyze the organization and its need for change. 2. Create a shared vision and common direction. 3. Separate from the past. 4. Create a sense of urgency. 5. Support a strong leader's role. 6. Line up political sponsorships. 7. Craft an implementation plan. 8. Develop enabling structures. 9. Communicate, involve people, and be honest. 10. Reinforce the institutionalized change. These rules acted as a guideline institutionalizing change in organizations, respectively for an association to develop and advance. Change must be overseen, done, and executed with predictable correspondence among directors and staff so everyone feels engaged in some bit of the change connection.